Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about default parameters in C++ programming. In C++ we can provide default values for the function parameters, and the default values must be assigned to the parameters from the right side. Like in example, here we have one function called add, which is taking 3 parameters, and we have assigned default values to the parameter from the right side. So first we have assigned value to the variable C, and then we have assigned value to the variable B, and similarly we can assign value to the variable A also. So whenever we call the function with 3 parameters, then both A, B and C will be assigned with the value 1. So the default values are going to be overridden by the passed parameter value. And whenever we call a function with just 2 parameters, then A and B will be assigned with the value 1 and C will have its default value. And whenever we call the function with just 1 parameter, then A will be assigned with the value 1 and B and C will have its default values. So whenever we are using default parameters in the function definition, then we can pass less parameter to the function call, and this will not generate any error. So in this example program we have one function called add, which is taking 3 integer parameter, and the function will add those 3 numbers and print their addition. Now in the function definition we can provide some default values, and the default values must be provided from the right side. So first we have to assign default value to the variable C. So I'm gonna provide the default value 3 to the parameter C, and then also we can provide default value to the parameter B. So whenever we call the function with less parameter, then the default parameter values will be used. So whenever we are calling that function from inside the main method, we can provide 3 parameter. Also we can provide 2 parameter, and also we can provide just 1 parameter. And this way whenever we are passing 3 parameter, then both of these parameters will be assigned to the variable A, B and C. And whenever we are passing just 2 parameters, then the parameter A and B will be assigned with the passed parameter. And whenever we are just passing 1 parameter, then the passed parameter will be assigned to the variable A. So I'm gonna save this program and I'm gonna run the program, and you can see the output. So the output is jumbled up, so I'm gonna use line break after the addition. So I'm gonna save it and run it again, and you can see the addition is 3, 5 and 6. So this way we can provide default values to our function parameter, and whenever we call the function with less parameter, then the default values are going to be used. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.